If you're looking for an alternative for using the ABC method and a master task list to keep track of and complete to-dos, you can use the Reminders app on a MacBook or an iPhone. So this is how you can do that. First, you're going to open up the Reminders app. On both a MacBook and an iPhone, it looks like this white icon with 3 lines through it. When you open up the app, it's going to look something like this. You can see I already have a few reminders in place. First, we're going to create our master task list. I'm going to do that by clicking on Add List in the bottom left corner. I'm going to name it Master Task List. You can choose a color. Maybe I'll make it yellow. And click OK. It automatically opens your master task list. So from here, you're going to brain dump everything you have to do. For example, it might be check email, upload, course recording. Maybe later in this week I have car maintenance. I have to call dad. I have to take out the trash. I have to complete project X. After you've brain dumped everything onto your master task list, you can then create your A, B, and C tasks. So I'm going to use the same exact process. I'm going to make a new list, clicking on Add List in the bottom left corner. I'll call this A tasks. I'll make it blue. I'm going to create my B tasks. I'll make this one green. And lastly, my C tasks. I'll make this one purple. All right. So now, similar to Google Calendar and tasks, you can drag and drop these tasks and prioritize them as an A, a B, or a C. So I'm going to move check email as an A task, upload recording as an A task, car maintenance is C. I'm going to get to it next week. Call dad needs to happen by Friday. That's a B task. Take out the trash. I do that on Fridays. It's a B task. And complete the project. Well, I actually need to break this down into multiple steps. I'm going to do that on my master task list. So while it's sitting here, I'm just going to make a new task and call it read direction, brainstorm, connect with partner, create draft, edit draft, send for review. Maybe those are my steps to completing project X. I'm then going to actually delete this from here because it's not very helpful. And now I'm going to start to prioritize these different steps. I'm going to do the same thing by dragging and dropping them into A, B, or C. At the end of the day, you can go to your master task list and cross off things or reprioritize things for tomorrow. You can use your A tasks and click on this circle to cross things off, showing that they're complete. And you can go to your B tasks and simply drag them to your A tasks for tomorrow. Now when I wake up in the morning and I look at my A tasks, I immediately know the 3 most important things that I'm going to accomplish. I hope this was helpful. If you have a question, just leave a comment.